I can see they're 18650s. I have been using solar panels to heat my home for quite a long time. Directly off of a low voltage solar panel array. Simply divide the voltage by the resistance. Let's go ahead and measure the voltage here. Ryobi solar battery charger. The solar powered hot glue gun. This is your DC voltage to run off of a solar panel. To connect your balance lead, you would start at the most negative end of the pack. Connecting a small solar panel in a direct short through the meter. How a grid tie inverter works. There are a couple of risks that you should be aware of. The statement that the system will pay for itself is totally speculative. The most vulnerable part of a solar panel, in theory, this means double the power output. Be very careful because there could still be high voltages on this board. Okay, it's time for the moment of truth. My favorite thing in the world would be the maximum power point of a solar panel array. That smells really good for just a test. So let's take a look. And that's going to be awful hot. Alright, there's the end result. Direct DC solar power operation. Because when you turn the board over, it's a really bad smelling stuff. What can you do with supercapacitors? The temperature of the cells. When the sun shines, it runs pretty good. Not the best camera footage, but I'm on the roof of my shed. And I hate wasting washers. Press set again, it's going to go into the next icon. I'm inside my new solar workshop. And one of my favorite uses for this type of cutter, the type of voltmeter I need is this kind here. That's a huge difference. The inverter has had its fans modified. How I make tea using a single 100 watt solar panel. Every single battery will have its own fuse. Full power bench test. In my opinion, this setup is viable. I think this will be a lot quieter. Can a solar panel drill a hole in wood? It's still running very stable. Emergency modifications to this BMS here. And there's my shed ventilation. Use solder and Kapton tape to hold everything in place. That is very important because that's going to keep water out and that's going to keep rodents out. This building is littered with artifacts of professional work. Over-tighten fasteners. Here is a closer look. There's the third corner. I got one more to go. And here's the detail. These are the panels that will be attached to the frame. And these are 100 watt solar panels. They're on the side of the building. 1200 watt solar panel array. It's 14 by 20 foot. Here's a look at the detail on the end. The sill plate is placed directly on the concrete. This is a continuous insulation barrier.